This is Managerial Economics, deliverable number 1 by Sarah Atchison with Rasmussen University. In introduction, we are working on a project for a marginal analysis for oil company X in regards to a decision on whether to invest in a pipeline project. We will be reviewing the marginal analysis, and then at the end we will talk about the recommendation and summary. In overview, our company, Oil Company X, is looking into some expansion projects through investment opportunities, and today we are focusing on whether or not we should invest in this pipeline project. We will do this through a marginal analysis, and you may be asking what is marginal benefits and what are these marginal and opportunity costs that we see listed here. Opportunity costs are typically our best foregone alternatives for any decision that we are making. Marginal benefits are the additional benefits resulting from producing more of a certain good or service. And marginal costs are the additional costs that are associated with producing more of that good or service. So jumping into the opportunity costs of investing in the pipeline. We begin the analysis by kind of discussing those opportunity costs of investing in the pipeline versus a stock investment. And with the investment of the pipeline, it causes all of our assets to become tied up, and therefore we lose the ability to take on other lucrative projects, and we are looking at 10-year time frame, so that can be a long time to have all those assets tied up. The opportunity costs for a stock investment allow the company to expand some of the current projects that we are working on, as well as the ability to diversify its portfolio by investing in new projects. The marginal benefits for pipeline have great benefits like job creation. They create rewarding wages and benefits, and there would also be an increase in the economic output as well. The return on investment is estimated to be about 8% over that 10-year time frame. The marginal benefits on stock investment include preservation of the environment and avoidance of unexpected costs that could occur over that 10-year period, such as permits, equipment breaking, potential oil spills, things like that. One major marginal benefit is the increase in return on investment with stock investment, as it is expected to be 10% over the 10-year period. So on average, that is an increase of 2% more than the pipeline would be over that same 10-year time frame. The marginal costs with investing in the pipeline include dislocation of ecosystems and the displacement of wildlife and possibly endangered species. There is also a lot of pollution and noise when building on a pipeline, which could be very troublesome to the community that you're building in. The marginal costs with stock come along with possible market crashes, stock simply losing its value, and another big one that you always face is the possibility of a recession. So in closing, kind of reviewing that marginal analysis, covering the opportunity costs, marginal benefits, and marginal costs. Our total recommendation and summary would just vaguely be not to invest in the pipeline, as the stocks have a better investment. After completing that marginal analysis, it is recommended that the company does not proceed with pipeline investment, as the opportunity costs are too high, with all of the company's money becoming tied up, and the marginal benefits do not outweigh the marginal costs. Our marginal costs come in way too high, as we would be destroying environments, ecosystems, displacing wildlife, and creating a lot of pollution. The stock investment averages a higher return, so they are the better investment, with a return on investment being about 2% higher than the pipeline over the 10-year time frame. Thank you.